Introduction. Akash was going to school. He saw some boys throwing stones at a puppy. He picked up the hurt puppy and took it home. He gave first aid to the puppy. He decided objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify different types of animals, name the homes of animals, list the food habits of animals, list animals are living things. Animals are living things like human beings. Like us, they need air, water, and sunlight to live. They get their food from plants and other animals. They grow. They lay eggs and produce babies. Types of animals. Animals differ in shape, size, color, and other features. Some animals are big, some are small. Some animals are tall, some others are short. Some live in our houses and farms, while others live in the jungles. Some animals live in water. Some animals also fly. Surroundings of animals. Different animals have different surroundings. Animals like the cow, buffalo, lion, etc. move on land. They are called land animals. Some animals like the fish, tortoise, whale, etc. move in water. They are called aquatic animals. Some animals like snake, lizard, etc. creep on land, walls, and trees. They are called reptiles. Some animals like the sparrow, crow, etc. live on trees. They are called birds. Homes of animals. Animals live in their homes. The dog lives in a kennel, the cow in a shed, the horse in a stable, the lion in a den, and the pig in a sty. Some animals live under the ground. For example, the rabbit lives in a burrow and the snake in a hole. Birds live in nests made in trees. Food habits of animals. Animals have different food habits. Some animals eat plants, grass, etc. For example, cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Some others eat meat. For example, lion, tiger, etc. Some animals eat seeds and worms. For example, sparrow, crow, etc. Some animals eat both plants and meat. For example, bear, etc. Some animals are fond of special food items. For example, the importance of animals. Animals help us in many ways. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Sheep give us wool that keeps us warm in winters. Cows, camels, snakes, etc. give us leather for jackets, bags, and shoes. Some animals give us fur for coats, jackets, and animal care. Animals are our friends. We should not hurt or kill them. We should protect them and treat them with love. Self-assessment. Match the following the name of the animals on their eating habits. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Animals are living things. They move on land, water, and sky. They live in kennels, sheds, stables, dens, burrows, and holes. They eat plants, meat, or both. Animals give us milk, wool, and leather. We should